And Prime Minister Modi went back to his constituency of Varanasi. He was there to inaugurate the 6-lane Kashi to Prayagraj highway and review the Kashi corridor. Apart from Vikas, the focus was also on Lord Shiva and on spirituality. Abhishek Mishra with this report.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi landed at Kashi, his constituency and Karma Bhumi around 2 p.m.
हर हर महादेव। मेरी काशी के मेरे प्यारे भाई और बहनों, आप सबके प्रणाम बा।
The Prime Minister went straight to Khajuri Maidan and unveiled a slew of developmental projects, including the 6-lane, 73-kilometer Varanasi-Prayagraj National Highway.
यहां से गुजरने वाला हाईवे 4 लेन का था। आज बाबा विश्वनाथ के आशीर्वाद से ये हाईवे 6 लेन का हो चुका है। 70 किलोमीटर से ज्यादा का ये वो सफर अब आराम से होगा।
दोनों शहरों के बीच आवागमन को सुगम।
The projects are in line with the Prime Minister's mega ambitious project of linking the holy city of Kashi with the historic city of Kyoto in Japan. Along with UP Chief Minister, the Prime Minister then took a small boat trip to the Kashi Vishwanath temple.
असंख्य दीप आज प्रज्वलित होने वाले हैं।
As the setting sun kissed the water of River Ganga, the view was mesmerizing.
कार्तिक पूर्णिमा के दिन इस हरिहर क्षेत्र में
Whenever the Prime Minister visits his parliamentary constituency, he makes it a point to take the blessings of Lord Shiv, and this visit was no different. The occasion was special. It was Dev Deepavali, where according to legends, the gods celebrated the slaying of demon Tripurasur by Lord Shiv. The Prime Minister then inspected the under-construction Kashi Vishwanath corridor, which will beautify and expand the historic temple of Lord Shiv. The Prime Minister's next stop was Rajghat, where he lit an earthen lamp marking the auspicious occasion of Purnima of the Hindu month of Kartik.
कोरोना काल ने भले ही काफी कुछ बदल दिया है, लेकिन काशी की ये ऊर्जा, काशी की ये भक्ति, ये शक्ति, उसको कोई थोड़ी बदल सकता है।
15 lakh earthen lamps were lit on both banks of the Ganga, a sight to behold.
The dazzle of 15 lakh diyas in Varanasi, PM Narendra Modi witnessing the beauty at the shore of River Ganga, inaugurating the project here in Varanasi, and the festivity of Varanasi people has actually made Varanasi a beautiful place and a place for spirituality and culture.
The Prime Minister then headed for Chet Singh Ghat to witness a spectacular laser show. The visit once again highlights the special relation between the spiritual city of Kashi and the Prime Minister. Kashi, a city where vibrant Indian culture resonates. It's a city defined by Shiva and spirituality that is fast transforming into a smart city. With Abhishek Mishra in Varanasi, Bureau Report, India.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.